As the weather warms up, a lot of us start filling our bird feeders and looking forward to the feathered friends kind of hanging out in our yard and adding all kinds of movement and color. And March is a really busy month for migrating birds that are coming through. So in the spirit of spring, I thought that we would talk about our 5 favorite birds that are migrating through through the Dane County area at this time of year, and ones that you might be able to have a chance to see in your backyard or when you're on a walk. So we've got red-winged blackbirds that are coming. We have yellow-bellied sapsuckers, great blue herons, barn swallows, and my favorite, the eastern phoebe. Oh, there it is now. So come on in and talk to our birding experts. We can help you discover ways that you can bring some of these birds into your yard, or just help the feathered friends that are there already. And happy spring from all of us here at the Bruce Company.